Now in this video today, I'm going to be making a floral arrangement for Mother's Day with items that I purchased mostly from the Dollar Tree. So here we have a cylinder vase, a tall one, and then we have one of these bowls from the glassware section. Now instead of using hot glue, because this is glass, we're going to be using the liquid cement that you can find in the auto section of the Dollar Tree. All right, so we're going to start applying the glue to that bowl. I'm going to use that as a skirt for this vase. Then we want to center the vase. Remember, you can also put some weighted stuff inside that vase to make sure that it sticks very well. Now what you also want to do is move it to the side and forget about it for 2 days, 24 to 48 hours you need for that glue to cure. Okay, so we probably went about this time, about 24 hours, so you still want to be careful with it. You don't want any accidents, guys. Now, I could have chosen to embellish this, but I didn't want to. I thought that the glass by itself looked really nice. You can just go ahead and tie a ribbon around it, which is what we're going to do. I have some florals here that I've had in my stash for a while. These are tall stem, except for the ones I just showed you. These are tall stem, the peony and the cherry blossom. So this is going to be a beautiful arrangement. Tie a bow and then we are good to go. Now I am taking the tags off of these. These actually have been with me a long time. Some of my florals I haven't used, and I just chose to just pull out the pink ones. My mother absolutely loves the color pink, mostly fuchsia, okay, but this is what I had. So I think this is gonna go over well. I think she's gonna love it. Now, there was a time where you did see the tall stem flowers at the Dollar Tree. I guess not all of them because they don't have the same items in every Dollar Tree, but I was blessed enough to find these tall stems, including these are the peony, but right behind these, we're going to be working with the cherry blossoms, which are gorgeous. Now I have, with those tall stems, we have 4 of the cherry blossoms and 4 of the peony. So I'm just gonna place them in there one at a time. We're gonna place the cherry blossoms first, all 4, and then I'll decide how I'm going to arrange the peony before I place the shorter hanging flowers. I'm absolutely loving those cherry blossoms. And those are the only ones that I had, but I love them. So I think that arrangement came out absolutely gorgeous. Now we're gonna work on using this ribbon just to tie something simple and gold around that vase. Absolutely gorgeous. As soon as I'm done doing this bow, guys, we're gonna head on over to the reveal so that you can take a closer look. All right, so this has been like my favorite place to display stuff is off this table. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and light that candle, and I'm gonna bring over the arrangement. It is gorgeous, guys, so we're gonna head on over shortly to the reveal. All right, so this is what it's looking like. Isn't that beautiful, guys? I think it's great, not only for summer, not only for Mother's Day, just the whole spring and summer. It's just gonna look wonderful. And those cherry blossoms are definitely one of my favorites, and so are the peony. So I hope you enjoyed the video as much as I enjoy creating it for you. If you like the video, click like, share, and comment. Don't forget to subscribe, guys, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you can get notified each and every time I upload a video. Have an amazing day, and I'll see you in the next one. God bless you guys. Amen.